Beware of the Hengst E11 cartridge filter for the oil filter of the Mercedes 2.7 liter turbo diesel Sprinter motor. Hengst is furnishing a white O-ring that's approximately 3 inches in diameter that is a substandard material that stretches after use. Here I have an older one. Stretches 8 to 10%. And unlike the black O-ring that comes with the Mercedes-Benz canister, the white O-ring material is not tight enough to give the correct torque setting when you're putting the new filter cartridge in the Mercedes canister and tightening that down. This causes the excess tightening to fracture the cage, the white plastic cage part of the Mercedes filter system. It fractures that cage, and then the filter element itself does not filter. And after 4,000 or 6,000 miles, you'll notice that your oil on your Sprinter is black because the Hengst filter is failing. So beware of this. Thanks for watching.